Hey fellas, did you know you can fix your morning wood by fixing your gut? Hey, pay attention to this, because scientists did something so wild, I had to read it 3 times. They took a fit, healthy erection rat. We're talking about a scale of 1 to 10. He's a 10 on the rat scale. And my man had the morning erections on demand. And what they did was injected him with the gut bacteria from a messed up rat. Yeah, obese, nothing was working. And guess what? Yeah, within 72 hours, the healthy rat's wood stopped working. Yeah, if it's going to stop working on a rat in that quick of time, think of how much it's affecting you with your gut. Because if your morning wood is coming in like a paycheck from a job that really hates you, is inconsistent and may not show up at all. If you're waking up poking a blanket like, hey, is everything okay down there? That isn't age, that isn't stress. Your gut may be sabotaging your erections like it's being paid to do it. Hey, this is Brian, aka Uncle B, the men's performance coach with Goodwood, and here is what we've been doing for the past, 26 years. We're helping guys with their erection issues, talking through it, getting the information, doing videos like this right here. So make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell, and stay tuned to the end because it got something that's gonna help you out a lot. But in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is break this down till it cannot be broken anymore. So let's get into it, because we got some researchers. I don't know what's going on with these people. They just come up with stuff like, we're going to give a rat the American diet, just all fats and sugars and just whatever he wanted to eat. And what did they do with the rat after that? Well, they went and got his gut bacteria. I'm not going to explain how they got to it, but they got his gut bacteria and went and stuck it into a healthy rat just to see what had happened. And as you would expect, well, maybe you didn't expect. But this is what happens. The healthy rat's erection went down. And we're talking about everything with the healthy rat, everything else staying the same. No weight loss, no hormone drop, no extra stress, just new gut bacteria and a problem. Now, stop for a second and let that sink in. Yeah, just the gut bacteria. These weren't old rats, these weren't sick rats, these were rats in their prime. And their dicks went on strike in less than a week. And here's why: because your gut lining is like the VIP security at the club. It is supposed to keep the drama out of the bloodstream. So when you're eating so much junk, what you'll end up doing is getting little holes in your gut lining. And security letting stuff through. And it's leaking toxins, and these toxins are called LPS. It's leaking toxins into your bloodstream. And yeah, once it hits your bloodstream, what's going to happen? Well, it's on fire tonight because there's going to be inflammation. Your blood vessels are going to get irritated, and your nitric oxide is just going to go up to a halt. And of course, the nitric oxide is what tells your penis to get up. So no nitric oxide, no get up. And here's the killer: the smallest veins in your body are in your penis. So of course, they clog first. That's why erectile dysfunction isn't a penis problem, it's actually a blood vessel problem. And the gut is what is clogging the blood vessels. Hey fellas, even I went through it. Just going back just a few years ago when I was doing my go through, I was staying up late, eating the wrong foods, all of this stuff. And yes, woke up that morning to just say that, hey, no, we're not going to be working for you for a while. And it doesn't matter who's coming over tonight. The lesson I learned from all of that is that your body does not negotiate. It remembers everything you do, every snack that you had, and it will add it up and discount your Johnson. That's just the way this works. And of course, there's more, because when it comes to your gut, it actually not only affects your erections, it also affects your testosterone. Now, these scientists, I don't know where they come up with this stuff. They literally transplanted the gut bacteria from a healthy male rat into a healthy female rat just to see what happened. And what happened? The testosterone in the female rat went up. Men with low T tend to have that inflammatory gut bugs. They have more leakiness in their gut, and that's leading to hormonal problems. Your gut is literally in your pants business. Researchers call this the androbactome, the collection of gut bacteria that makes up the male reproductive and hormonal health. And so when you're eating, you're not just feeding yourself, you're feeding the micro crew down in the gut. Think about that the next time you order that Big Mac. You literally just ordered up a buffet for the limp dick bacteria in your body. You're just paying to sabotage yourself. I even had a guy that I've been working with for a few years. We're trying to figure everything out because he's good. He's healthy, he's CrossFit, his testosterone was on point, his heart was good. And then we get his gut tested, and what we found out, dysbiosis, basically leaky gut. And so his inflammation was sky high. Within 3 months of just doing this gut repair, everything is working the way it should be. He's banging it out, and yeah, his wife likes it. But what we recognized was that his gut was choking his bloodstream. So now we got all of that out of the way. Solution time, let's make it happen. First thing off rip, eat plant fiber. We're talking about 30 to 40 grams per day. Fiber feeds the good bacteria. The nitric oxide is going to make everything work. And we're talking about black beans, avocados, raspberries, blackberries. There's a long list. This, yes, healthy. Get to it. There's no real timeline on this. It's just what you do. I got one guy who in 2 weeks of figuring this stuff out, got the good plant bacteria in him. Everything works. Number 2 on this list, we got pomegranate and beet juice. When it comes to that pomegranate, you want to get 8 ounces daily. And when it comes to the beet juice, you just want to go ahead and get your 4 ounces in the morning or before a workout. It's going to help your nitric oxide start doing like this. Natural Viagra, without the Viagra side effects. Then you have probiotics, and in particular, we're talking about the Lactobacillus reuteri. This is a strain of probiotics that actually helped old mice get younger. We're talking about their reproductive health and also their testosterone levels. And for you, we're talking about 10 billion CFUs, and you're gonna take that daily with your food. Now, number 4 on the list, of course, we had to cut out the high fat and the high sugar. High fat and high sugar equals ED bacteria, and that ED bacteria equals a limp dick. Now, of course, this study was done on rats, but nephew, you're not that different. That's the reason why they use rats. And as always, we talk about get your 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Not only is testosterone produced during sleep, but your gut is repaired during sleep. So all those little holes get holed up. You get better. And let's go through real quick. One thing that won't work is taking Viagra while eating junk food, or eating the junk food while taking your probiotics. You cannot supplement your way out of this. You actually have to do the work. You need to sleep. You need all 5 steps. Remember that healthy rat they gave the bad gut bacteria to? Well, after a while, and getting back to his regular, what he was doing, he was able to get back to health. The same thing can happen for you. Your body wants to get back to work. It wants to be healthy. You just need the right system to get you there. And I just gave it to you. Get to work. Because the question isn't, can I fix it? The question is, will I? If your morning erections have been missing like it's in witness protection program, yeah, you need to get to it. Fix your gut, fix your blood flow, fix your hormones. Yeah, that's going to fix everything that you need to get fixed. Now, if you have questions for me that you need to get answered absolutely right now, just for you, follow the link below, because what I did was take all the years of research, the over 400 videos, the books that I've written, the interviews that I've done, all the information I have, put it into an AI that you can access 24/7. And no, you're not going to get back some generic Google ideas or something from some guy who hasn't been doing this long enough to know. You're looking for that natural, healthy plan for you. Been working on this for a while, and it's here. So go ahead, give it a try, click the link, and get your answer. That personal question that you've been dying to ask me, go ahead and ask it. It will answer like I answer. And as always, if you like what you heard, go ahead, hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell. This is Uncle B saying, get your game up and go hard. Peace out.